Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use Concise writing tool AI on iPhone. So recently launched iPhone, the new feature. To at first open iPhone settings and click on, make sure to enable this option. Now I'm already enabled Apple Intelligent option, so go back and then open Note. Now I'm already write some letter, so click on this option and then select this, look here, follow, okay, and you can easily using this rewrite our original to rewrite some word, okay, rewrite automatically. So that's how you can easily use this